Welcome friends, this is Manoj Kalla. Let's start today video. Today video is like something setting kind of thing where you learn the tooltip. Say this, I had created 1 minute. What is my path? Just let me check. Okay, my path will be VFP project. Okay, and now I'm creating a tooltip. Okay, so you can see here if I just created a one text box object. Okay, and I just name it like txt full name. 1 minute, where is name? Yeah, txt full name. Okay, and here is a full name label. Okay, so I will change full name is label, and you can see, and lbl full name. Okay, now just see if there is a one tooltip, how to work with the tooltip. Okay, so tooltip, you can enable the tooltip in FoxPro just by writing here the text, tooltip text of any form control, like enter your full name, okay, like first name, middle name, and first name, middle name, and last name. Okay, this text I had written, and the same text I am copying into label. Where is the tooltip? Yeah, this one. See, okay, enter your full name only. Okay, so this is done. Now if I run this form, if you hover, this is not display. So how to enable this? This will be enabled by on a form first. Okay, you had entered the tooltip on a label and text box, but tooltip by enable only here, show tooltip. This is the game changer. Okay, so just make it true. Okay, show tips, remember, show tips true, and afterwards whatever you had written in tooltip, say this, whatever you had written in tooltip text, that will going to be display. You want to see now, control E, you can see this, enter your full name, enter your full name, see this. So that's it. Please subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.